Hello everybody! Today we're going to unbox and take a close-up look at the Reebok Classic Leather Grow shoes. So let's first take a look around the outside of the box. So in this box is a pair of Reebok Classic Leather Grow shoes, and this pair is in the men's UK size 9, US size 10, EU size 43, and it's in the white colorway. And now let's go ahead and open up the box by flipping up the box lid to reveal the Reebok Classic Leather Grow shoes. And let's peel back the wrapping paper and lift out the white shoe first, and giving you that first an initial look at this Reebok CL Grow shoes in the white non-dyed colorway. And just setting the right shoe down and continuing with the unboxing and popping out the left shoe from the box and just setting the box to the side. So let's set it on the left hand side of the table, and of course just doing some minor readjustments so that we have a full and clear view of this pair of Reebok Classic Leather Grow shoes in the white colorway. So giving you that initial look and doing a 360 rotation to give you a full and complete view of this shoe. And taking some close-up looks. So as you can see, the shoe has an overall white non-dyed finish and is certified with plant-based construction or materials. It does have a textile upper with canvas panels, and giving you those close-up details of the materials and of course the texture of those materials up close. And we can see that Reebok branding on the midfoot eye stay panel. And moving on to the rear, giving you some idea of the shape and silhouette of the shoe, and of course the inner side of the shoe carrying that plain non-dyed white pattern throughout, and just putting those laces to the side so you have a clear and full view of the shoe, and of course the tag as well, giving you a look at the tag that's attached to the shoe so you have the complete details of this product. So CL representing classic leather, even though there is no leather used in this product, being that it is bio-based. So right there giving you a look at the product labels. And now continuing to take a look up close from the front to the back of the shoe, so from the toe or tip of the shoe, and moving slowly towards the back. And giving you all those close-up details of the laces, eye stays, and of course the panels that make up the upper cover of the shoe, and of course the laces as well. You can see it does have that creamy white color throughout, and of course the tongue. Give you a look at that Reebok tongue there with the Reebok branding. And taking a look around the ankle collar, so it does have some light to medium padding right around the ankle and heel of the shoe's collar, and of course the tongue as well does have some medium level of padding to it. So just giving you a look as I squeeze and press down on the tongue and its textile lining on the inner side of the shoe, as you can see. And the inner shoe label right there. And of course, the insole or sock liner, completely plain with no branding at all. However, on that side we can see that it does have the Regrow branding, as you can see, just about make out that label printed on the inner side of the shoe. And taking a look at the back once again, we see that Reebok embroidery on the heel tab and the very chunky midsole. So giving you a look right there at the SweetFoam EVA midsole, which is plant-based, and taking a look at the bottom or sole of the shoe, which is made out of rubber. So taking those close-up looks at the tread pattern, as you can see right there, with the blocks and studs making up the bottom or underside or outsole of the shoe, and the Reebok branding around the mid to rear of the shoe. So right there you can see the details up close. And now let's do a flex and bend test of the shoe using my hands. So right there, giving you some sense of the stiffness or flexibility and pliability of the shoe, flexing, bending and twisting. And of course the paper stuffing is still in the shoe. Let's remove it and see if it does make any difference at all. It's right there giving you some sense of the bendability, twistability, and overall flexibility of the shoe. And pressing on the SweetFoam EVA midsole as well, giving you some sense of the density or firmness of that material. Okay, now let's take a look at the right shoe. So just setting the left shoe down and to the side. And now taking a look at the left shoe, of course, in the same white non-dyed colorway, and of course using the same plant-based materials. So once again giving you a close-up look, but this time around with the right shoe. And we can see right throughout the same design. And of course consistent stitching and finishing right throughout. Of course, taking a look inside of the shoe. Once again, the inner shoe label. And we see the Regrow branding once again, this time on the right shoe. Taking a look at the outsole or bottom with its rubber construction, we see once again that tread pattern right throughout. And now let's take a look at the pair together. And from the front to the back, side by side. And the backs of the shoes. And of course, the outsoles. So that's the Reebok Classic Leather Grow shoes. Thanks for watching and happy walking.